Welcome to our channel. If you want to redeem loyalty program points for free streaming service subscriptions, follow these step-by-step instructions to convert your rewards into entertainment value. Step 1. Log into your loyalty program account, whether it's from a credit card, airline, hotel chain, or retail rewards program that partners with streaming services. Step 2. Navigate to the rewards catalog or redemption marketplace within your loyalty program portal, searching specifically for streaming service options. Step 3. Compare the point costs for different streaming services to determine which offers the best value relative to the subscription's regular monthly cost. Step 4. Review any restrictions or limitations, such as whether the redemption applies to new subscribers only or if it can be used to extend existing subscriptions. Step 5. Check your current point balance to ensure you have enough points for the redemption, and verify the expiration date of your points to prioritize those expiring soonest. Step 6. Select the streaming service reward and confirm the point deduction, noting any confirmation numbers or redemption codes provided by the loyalty program. Step 7. Follow the instructions to apply your reward to the streaming service, which may involve creating a new account or linking your existing account to receive the benefit. Step 8. Verify that your streaming subscription reflects the points-based payment and note when the free period ends if you need to provide payment information for future billing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.